Guys, we made it. This week we hit 5,000 subscribers on this channel and I'm really amazed, and to celebrate this I want to give away my favorite piece of equipment. So I have this piece of equipment in my setup since the very first day, and it's actually the only thing that is left from my original setup, and that's the Rode Video Micro. This is my favorite on-camera microphone because it's just super small, it's super easy to use since you don't have to turn it on, you never forget to record perfect audio on your camera, and it doesn't need any battery. So it's definitely the most convenient microphone. So this will be going to the first winner of the giveaway, but I'm also going to give away 2 LUT bundles, which will include all the LUTs I currently have on my store. So the second winner and the third winner will get one of those LUT bundles. It's really easy to enter the giveaway, just follow the link in the description to see all the ways to enter. I really appreciate the support and the feedback on this channel, and I'm just so blown away that I reached 5,000 subscribers, and there are actually 5,000 people who willingly subscribed to this channel. Thank you for all of this, and I hope you guys still enjoy the content on this channel. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel to not miss any tutorials, gear reviews or upcoming live streams, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.